Hello and welcome, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the KLUZIE portable wireless Bluetooth speaker. So as you can see, this is the box that it comes in. It says over here is a model number GT112, and the specifications are that it has a 10-meter distance, so this will work with 10 meters. The output, it's 5 watts into 2. Okay, playtime, it'll offer you 2 to 4 hours of playtime. Battery, it has a 1200 mAh battery and it will take 2 to 4 hours to charge. Okay, what else have you got? So it shows you the different buttons on here. So you can switch to Bluetooth, USB, TF card, FM radio, or a line in by pressing the mode key, which is the M button up here. Then you can of course do the next song, previous song, pause, play, and there's a TWS button, which is the 5th button. So let's just go ahead and unbox this and open it up. So in the box you get the Bluetooth speaker itself, and you get a little charging cable. Okay, and this is the actual speaker itself. So it's got a little strap over here for you to carry it around. It's got your ports over here. This is the on-off switch, so I've turned it on now. As you can see, the light comes on. Okay, it made some noises. It's on now, and so there you are. So there you have it, folks. That was the unboxing of the KLUZIE portable Bluetooth wireless speaker. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.